Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Although kerosene units are more efficient than electric models, 90% compared with 100% fuel efficiency, kerosene is a much cheaper fuel source than electricity. The units cost twice as much as comparable electric heaters, ranging in price between $100 and $350.22. September 1983.
Take our lead.
The 7 cheapest ways to heat a home. Buy an energy-efficient space heater. Heating the whole house can be expensive and wasteful, especially if you only use a small portion of it. Buy a smart thermostat. Use credit cards to pay your utility bills. Sign up for budget billing. Insulate your attic. Invest in warm clothing. Consider installing solar panels. The 10th of September 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
A well-designed kerosene heater emits no smoke or strong odor during normal operation. But you might notice a faint kerosene odor when you enter the house. But the real danger is that misuse of kerosene heaters could replace room oxygen with carbon monoxide and lead to death by asphyxiation.
Take our lead.
Take advantage of your fireplace. Wood fireplaces are arguably one of the cheapest ways to heat a home. Though building a fire can be a cheap and efficient way of heating your home, if you don't use your fireplace, be sure to keep the damper closed. 14 January 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.